All right, Dirty Sports Cards here. We're doing 2 boxes here for Jimmy. Good luck, man. 2017 Stars and Stripes Baseball. Reds West is best. Good luck. Darren McCann. Ethan Hankins. 17 and under. Ethan Hankins, that is 23 of 25 short printed. 23 of 25. All right, next up we got Alex Faedo. So $4.99. Collegiate, 161 of 4.99. Number 299, Jared Jones. And we're going this way. 15 and under. Gold ink autograph, Josiah Dixon. 15 and under, Josiah Dixon. That is 57 of 82. 57 of 82. Next up, we got Collegiate to $4.99, Darren McCann. $4.99. What's up, Isashi? What's going on, man? And it was actually going that way. We got Brendan McKay, Nick Prado, and David Peterson. Triple jersey. 66 of 199. Eating Takis. Last pack. All right, we got 18 and under. Jersey autograph, Nick Prado. Jersey autograph, Nick Prado. That is numbered 56 of 199. That was box number 1. Box number 2. One fatty. All right, we got Quentin Holmes and Tristan Casas. 18 and under, jersey autograph. Tristan Casas, 146 of 299. MJ Melendez and Brendan McKay to 499. Brendan McKay, 499. We got Mark McGuire numbered. 88 of 99. Mark McGuire. And going this way. 15 and under. Gold ink autograph. Tony Jacos. 15 and under. Jersey autograph. 37 of 87. of 87. Mike Ciani. We got on-card autograph to 499, TJ Friedel. 259 to 499. Yeah, Isco did good today, man. And we got quad jersey. That is Kyle Wright, Tanner Houck, JB Bukowskis, and Alex Faedo. Quad jersey. 164 of 199. Last pack. Good luck, man. Looks like a jersey. Taylor Walls and 18 under. 2 gold ink autographs on this one. Slane Enlow. Slane Enlow. That is 67 of 87. There you go, Jimmy. Appreciate it, man.